To replace the disc brakes, first use pliers to remove the aluminum cap. Use a number 5 wrench to loosen the screws and remove the brake cables. Then, use a number 5 wrench to loosen and remove the 2 screws on the brake. Remove the existing disc brake. Align the new disc brakes with the 2 screw holes and tighten. When tightening, pay attention to the gap between the brakes. The long holes are parallel. Note that the long holes can move side to side once they are parallel and balanced. Tighten the 2 screws on the disc brake. Then, thread the brake cable from the left hole of the disc brake to the right hole. Once threaded, pull the brake wrench upward. Pay attention to the gap between the disc brakes. Keep both sides parallel, then tighten the screws with the wrench. Finally, test the braking effect. Press the brake lever with your finger and observe whether the brakes stop the vehicle. If there is still a squealing sound, adjust the disc brake position. Align the disc brake gap.